Today we're going to demonstrate how to replace the fuse of a Gilson GA-6 GilSonic AutoSiever sonic sifter, which offers precise and dependable particle separations of fine granular materials and dry powders. If a circuit is overloaded on the GA-6, the fuse will blow to protect the unit from further electrical damage. Once the fuse is blown, the GA-6 will completely shut off. To replace the fuse in your GA-6, you first disconnect power to the unit by unplugging and then removing the power cord from the rear of the unit. The fuse holder is contained in the power receptacle at the rear of the unit. The fuse holder is a small drawer at the bottom of the receptacle, which can be opened with a fingernail or small screwdriver. There are two fuses in the holder. The one closest to the cabinet is the operational fuse. The fuse to the outside is a spare. Be sure to test the fuse for continuity with an ohm meter. Gently push the replacement fuse into its cradle. Now push the fuse holder back into the GA-6 until it latches. And finally, return the power cord to the unit. For any questions concerning the Gilson GA-6 GilSonic AutoSiever sonic sifter, or for any Gilson product, please contact the Gilson Technical Support Team.